Hi everybody, I hope you're all enjoying Clarksville, Tennessee. I just wanted to drop in and send a quick little message and update you guys on the three things of what's happening. So first I'm going to update you on what's happened nationally in the real estate industry, what's happening in Clarksville for real estate, and how I can help serve your needs for real estate. So number one, here's some tips that I have been reading from the National Association of Realtors. As you know, spring and summer are the busiest times for buyers and sellers. Number two, in March, interest rates rose to an all-time high of 5% for a Freddie Mac loan. Number three, millennials are the largest percentage of people that are buying homes, but they are not buying the most expensive homes. Number four, builders are expanding in rural and smaller counties. Number five, 50% of offers on any home are above list price. Number six, it's still a seller's market. For more information on real estate or to get a competitive market analysis on your home, please give me a call at 931-436-3552. All right, number two, here are the stats for March of 2022 and how they compared to last March of 2021 here in Clarksville or Montgomery County. Number one, in March of 2022, there was 1,700 homes sold, which is a 13.5% increase from last year. There are 406 homes on the daily inventory. That is a 306% increase from March of 2021. Number three, the average list price of March of this year, $333,000. That is a 20% increase from March of last year. Number four, the average days on market in March of 2022 was only 23 days compared to last year. That is a 43% increase from last year. Finally, the property sold price of this year was $310,000. That is a 25% increase to March of last year. All right, third, I just want to take the time and thank you all so much for trusting me and helping you with your real estate needs. I know that buying real estate in your primary residence is a huge decision, so I am privileged that I had the opportunity to serve you. I have enjoyed working with you and giving you tips to get the biggest bang for your buck. If you are thinking about selling, please call me so that I can give you a current comparable market analysis to show you what your home is currently worth. I just wanted to let you know that I am licensed in 2 states, Tennessee and Florida. If you or anyone you know, such as your family and friends, are looking to buy or sell in Tennessee or Florida, please let me know. For the past year, I have been working on growing my real estate team in Tennessee and Florida. I still own properties in each state and I have family in Tennessee. Since I have a team in each state, someone is always here to serve you. Again, thank you so much for trusting me with your real estate needs. If you had a wonderful experience working with me, please share my name and number with any of your friends and family or acquaintances who are looking to buy or sell in Tennessee or Florida so that I can serve them and give them the best experience, knowledge, and real estate tips. Have a blessed day.